The whole thumbnail thing has always driven me crazy. How about you? So as I'm loading this very video that shows you that I figured out just now this brand new update where you can select your thumbnail directly from your desktop, I thought it stopped there. But then I'm loading this. Let's go there. I'm going to show you. What? It errored out on me? That is crazy. I know why. I can't do it on this channel. I think this channel is too new to have that option. But you just saw me do this on my other channel. I'm gonna pretend to load this video on my other channel. I'm not gonna go public with it, but I just want to test it out for you, okay? I'll be right back. So apparently Creator Tips channel does not have it yet. Okay, now I'm on my other channel. Maybe it's because this one is monetized at the shorts level? I have no idea. But this one got it early apparently. That's what it is. Look, I can select from video, I can upload a file, I can do all the things that you can normally do on a long form video. Oh my goodness. And so only my Dawnnie Mercado channel has access to this. Let me know in the comments if you have access to this feature on your channel yet. Next. Okay, it's fully loaded. Now, again, I'm loading this on the wrong channel, so it's going to stay private. We're going to go to details and scroll down. I really hope they give this to everybody. It's only on this one channel of mine. It's on my Dawnnie Mercado. So what can we do? We can do all the things that you can do like on a long form video. I have TubeBuddy installed so I can do all the TubeBuddy stuff. You know, oh, it's private, so I can't. Okay, let me make it unlisted. I want this to be an actual test. All right, unlisted. Please don't anybody watch it because it's on the wrong channel. I don't think I put it in any playlists. Okay, so from TubeBuddy installed. This is huge. Check and see if you have this feature. I can go ahead and select. Oh, no, I can't do it that way because then it makes it all wide. No, that's stupid. Why would I do that? Okay, can't do that. But I can do select from video. And I can choose this section here. That's awesome. Okay. Or, which is one of my new favorite things to do, is to, let's see, let's go to that one last. Let's go to quick generate. If I have vidIQ installed, does it work? Okay, it doesn't really work with vidIQ because as you see, this is a short and it has made it like a long form size. So, but what happens if I go to get suggestions, which is the Ask Studio version of getting free thumbnails directly from YouTube? So let's go to get suggestions. And it's over here, see? It is making my thumbnail for me. Okay, I think it worked. Look, this is from the Ask Studio version and it made the correct size and everything. Finally! Ooh, that's cool. The only thing is that you can't go ahead and apply it right then. You have to download it first and upload it into the thumbnail area. So let's try that. It doesn't matter which one. I guess I'll use this one. I kind of like it. Download. Okay, so now right here, you take these little dots just like in a regular video, not a short, on your desktop. I'm going to upload. How amazing is that? And save. I am so excited. Okay. Well, I'd be even more excited if this worked on my Creator Tips channel. It doesn't yet, but let's see what it looks like over here. There you go, right there. We just made a custom thumbnail on our desktop and uploaded it. I tested the other two that didn't work, but remember, the Ask Studio version works properly. So I hope that they are going to unleash this to all of us. I'd really love to use this on all my channels, but at least for now, it's on my Dawnnie Mercado channel. Let me know if this helped you in some way, and absolutely let me know if you have this feature yet, okay? Subscribe for more like this. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm here on YouTube to help other actors excel at this. We were literally made for it. I'll see you in the next one. As if this wasn't exciting enough, I'm geeking out about this.
On this channel, I solve problems for new YouTubers and actors. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a SAG-AFTRA actor, been in the business for over 30 years, but you know what? I don't think actors are using their superpowers properly on YouTube. I'm here to change that. Let's go.
This is huge. Check and see if you have this feature and let me know in the comments. Okay, creator tips. This is Dawnnie Mercado. This is for actors who want to excel on YouTube. This is huge. I can now select a screen to show on my short directly from the desktop instead of from my phone. I just found this. Let me show you. Here I am in a short and I was about to go and do some SEO before I schedule it to go out. I haven't even finished that part yet. That's not what this video is about, so don't worry about it. Down here, look, I'm in a short. And I'm like, oh, that looks different than it normally does. Select from video. Bam! We can now select our thumbnail by selecting a frame from your video directly from your desktop. You heard it here first. Like, subscribe, comment for more.